Hello, investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
The PSEi ended the week 1.33% higher week on week. However, the bullish divergence we have spotted the previous week was not yet confirmed as the PSEi met a resistance near 6,550. The said resistance is also the high bound of the current downtrend channel. The indicators we monitor continue to point to bearish signs. Hence, we will continue to be cautious in our trading this week until such time that the reversal comes in play.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Globe Telecom Incorporated. Globe had recently broken out of three resistance levels. 1. The downtrend line drawn from the peak of October 19, 2022. 2. The symmetrical triangle formed from mid-January to early May this year. And 3. Its July 2024 high of 1,930. Despite experiencing a correction, Globe managed to rebound, and it seems that it can continue with its upward trajectory. We note of the positive signals that support our view. 1. Despite its MACD is currently situated below the signal line, it is still above the zero baseline. 2. Its RSI remains strong and not yet at overbought levels. 3. A golden cross occurred with the crossover of the 50-day SMA above the 200-day SMA. The stock is currently trading at 2004 and it may be bought at this price as we anticipate that the stock could reach 2,478. Set your stop level at 1,894 to manage downside risks.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.